I had $10,000 saved and felt nothing. Still living paycheck to paycheck, still stressed, still one emergency from zero. But 20,000, that's when the switch flipped. Quietly at first, then hard. I'm about to show you exactly why this number changes everything in ways almost nobody talks about. Stay locked in. The warning at the end could save you from the trap that wipes out most people right here. Real talk. Before 20K, I was grinding. Overtime, cutting corners, saying I'm saving while low-key terrified every month. Car repair? $2,000 gone. Doctor bill? Another $1,000. Every climb got erased. The stress was constant, like carrying a weight that never lifted. Sound familiar? Even at 5 or 10,000, your brain stays in scarcity mode. You're defending every dollar, not growing it. Survival mode never ends. You can't breathe easy. But guess what happens next? Quietly at first, then all at once, everything changes after $20,000 saved or invested. Options appear, anxiety drops, power grows. The math finally starts working for you. I'm breaking down the 4 reasons why 20K is the invisible line from surviving to actually building real wealth. And then the brutal mistake that kills 80% of people the second they cross it. Let's dive in. Reason number 1, compounding becomes real. Below 10K, compounding is just a nice theory from math class. At 20, it's a machine earning while you sleep. 20,000 at a conservative 10% annual return grows to about 52,000 in 10 years without adding another dollar. That's 32,000 of free growth. Below 10K, that feels impossible. At 20, you can picture it. Your brain flips from scraping by to building something big. But this is just the start. Wait for number 2. Reason number 2, real emergency buffer. The debt spiral ends. Nobody says this out loud. Before 20K, emergencies don't just hurt, they double the damage. Repair? $1,500 on a credit card at 20 to 22% interest. Now you're paying almost $2,000 extra over time. You slide backwards. After 20K, you build a solid 3 to 6 month buffer. That's realistic for most people's essentials. Emergency hits? Pay cash. No interest. No 3 a.m. panic. No spiral. That mental relief is worth way more than the money itself. You sleep different. You move different. Reason number 3, FU power starts. This is the hidden one. 20,000 gives you quiet power. Not rich, but no longer desperate. Toxic boss? You can walk. You've got runway. Underpaid? Negotiate like you mean it. Side hustle or risk? You can actually try without gambling rent or bills. Mindset shifts. Fear to calm confidence. You play offense. People sense it. Doors start opening because you're not radiating stress anymore. Reason number 4, the next level stops feeling impossible. Momentum is everything. 0 to 10K feels like Everest. 10 to 20, hard but doable. But 20 to 50K, you've got proof now. You've done the hard part. 50 to 100K, that's just repeating what worked. 20K is where impossible turns into inevitable. You stop asking, can I, and start asking, how fast? But right here, this is where most people blow it all up. Listen close. The second you hit 20K, your brain plays a dirty trick. It whispers, you made it. You deserve to relax. Upgrade. New phone on payments, nicer apartment, extra rent, eating out because you earned it. Small spends add up fast. That's easily 12 to 15 grand a year gone. You spent 2 years building 20K, and in 12 months of creep, momentum dies. I almost fell for it, was browsing better places the week I crossed 22,000. Caught myself. 20K isn't the finish line, it's the launch pad. Don't inflate your life right when you should accelerate. Your one move this week? Split that 20K. 15K stays safe in a high-yield savings for emergencies. 5K goes straight into a low-cost index fund or ETF like VOO or VTI. Set it, forget it, let it grow. Because next, at 50K, options explode. At 100K, real freedom starts. At 20, you've just proven you can build real wealth. Comment your current number below, even if it's 500 or 15,000. Who's crossing 20K first? Let's go together. Smash like if this hit home. Subscribe. Next week's video breaks down the 50,000 level. It's wild. Your 20K moment is closer than you think. Don't stop now.